Guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to be able to delete a subdomain. Now in a case whereby you don't want to use any subdomain again, let's say you created a subdomain and you don't want to use it again, you don't want it to appear in your file manager, this file manager here, so you just want to delete it. So I'm going to show you how you can be able to delete anything that has to do with subdomain. So what you just need to do is to scroll down to wherever. Once you log into your cPanel first, what you just need to do next is to scroll down to where we have subdomains. So where we have these subdomains, you just click on subdomain. Now on this subdomain, in my own case, I'm using Namecheap hosting account. But once you have cPanel, once your hosting company is using cPanel, you just have to follow this procedure and you'll be able to get to this where you are seeing down here. We have created subdomain. Now already, if you want to create a subdomain, this is how you can equally create a subdomain. You just have to input the subdomain name you want to create and then click on create. Now but if you want to delete a subdomain, what you just need to do is to scroll down. Like as you can see here, already I have a subdomain here which I created already, but I don't want to use this subdomain. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on remove. Now in a case, let's say you don't want to remove that subdomain but you want to redirect it. I'm using tools.calltochange.com here. Now let's say I want to create another subdomain and redirect it to that subdomain. I can just create a subdomain like, let's say, word.calltochange.com. Now if I create that one, then I can click on this manage redirection. If I click on manage redirection, it's going to what is going to happen here is that it will show me where do I want this subdomain, which is tools.calltochange.com, to be redirected to. What it means is that if somebody is getting access to tools.calltochange.com, the person will now be redirected to that new subdomain which I have created already. So this is how you can be able to do that. Now in the case you don't want to do any of these things I've mentioned, what you just need to do is just go back. Let me go back here. Now once I go back, what I just need to do is to click on this remove. So you just click on remove. Now once you click on remove, what will happen is that this subdomain which you've created already will be deleted. As you can see, it says, do you wish sure you want to permanently remove subdomain? Yes, I want to remove it. So I'll just click on delete subdomain, and once I do that, automatically my subdomain will be deleted. Now I will know every file there, you just have to take note every file on that subdomain. If you've installed a WordPress website on it, it will be deleted and everything will be deleted as well. So this is just how you can, or this is the process you need to follow, and you'll be able to delete your subdomain. Now once you have, like I said earlier, on your subdomain to be on any cPanel, this is the process you can follow to delete it. As you can see here, I have success the subdomain to this tools.calltochange.com has successfully been removed. So I just need to do is click on go back, and once I click on go back, and you see here down here I don't have any subdomain for this my root domain again. So this is how you can be able to delete your subdomain. So in the next video I'm going to show you how you can be able to point in a full video, how you can be able to point in subdomain or equally a domain name to another domain. See you in the next video.